Welcome to section 4. In this section, we'll be building an inventory helper app. This inventory app is a Crud app that you will find normally outside in the industry, where you're able to create new items, edit them, read them, delete them, and update them. And this can apply to inventory checking. It can apply to items you're selling in the store. It can apply to events that you're handling or tickets that you're selling. Today, we'll be making an app that is typical of what you will find out there in the industry. It's what we call a Crud app, CRUD. It stands for Create, Read, Update, and Delete. So it's usually where you get to store information, you read them, you update them, or you delete them. This is a stock check app, so it's an inventory helper. The basic function is that using the app, you'll be able to retrieve the inventory using the barcode scanner. And then you are able to update that information. And then admins are also able to delete the items. In this app, the features are split into like 3 sections. First is the Crud functions, which is the basic ability for you to create, read, update, and delete those inventories. And that includes having the barcode scanner that once it reads the data or the ID, it's able to retrieve the correct inventory by matching the IDs. The other section is the authentication, which we'll be using Firebase authentication. And what we really want is an admin versus a regular user. And admins are able to delete, whereas regular users are able to notify admins about inventory that is low on stock. The third item in the list is FCM, or Firebase Cloud Messaging. It's where you're able to use push notifications to notify the admins. So this will allow us to send messages that will pop up to the screen or pop up on your phone. And so with this 3 featured list, we can now see that we can have 3 services. One is for the Crud functions. We can call it like the inventory service. The other one is the auth service, which deals with all the authentication. And then the third will be the FCM service, where we have a service that deals with requesting the token, updating the token, and getting the backend to send the notification.